No lace in this case. Wig shine is not mine. And bam, you have a ponytail. Your edges do not have to be somewhat ignorant like mine. We finna do that too. Going on, beautiful people? It's your girl Mary Kay. How's everybody doing today? Y'all good, cousins? Your mama good? How your auntie now?
I don't know.
I got another headband wig for you. Another one and another one and another one. I'm gonna be wearing these till like the end of time, so get used to them because I like them. I'm gonna give you all the details right after I show love to my subscriber of the Dizzy. Bam! You are the bomb. Y'all make sure you hit that subscribe button if you have not already. Make sure you do that today. Today is the day I feel it in my spirit. My ring fell off. Y'all, you know when you lose weight, your rings and stuff start to get loose, you know? But yeah, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell. I ain't forget what I was saying. All right, now to this wig. This wig is from RoyalMe. Quality lace wig. Well, in this case, no lace because it's a headband wig. A headband wig. No lace in this case. They used to be quality lace wigs until these headband wigs start popping off, and they was like, hey, we finna do that too. What I have upon my head is a Yaki straight 18-inch wig. Headband wig, that is. This wig gives you a natural press. This is a beautiful protective style. That's why I'm all on these headband wigs, y'all. We just got a couple of swooper dupes. Your edges do not have to be somewhat ignorant like mine. It comes with the standard headband, of course. You can order headbands as well. You're gonna be really impressed with how this feels. It has a very natural luster. No wig shine. Wig shine is not mine. The color of this wig is natural black. This is 100% virgin hair. The texture. And you don't have to get it this long, you know. You choose your length. I want us all to get into this, okay? And yeah. This wig is my friend. So, RoyalMe 18-inch Yaki straight wig. Very natural texture. That's the selling point for me. You can also put this up in a pony if you about to work out. Roll it up in a bun. Keep your headband on. Well, obviously, because it's attached. So, I don't know why I said that. Get it nice and secure. Have your low pony. Put your headband on so you won't see this flap right here. This is the Velcro that you connect to put the wig on. And bam, you have a ponytail. Okay, I'm about to go take some pictures. I'm gonna get y'all over to the demo so you can see from beginning to end. Y'all let me know, y'all feeling this one? I'm bringing them to you. I'm telling you, I'm bringing them to you. Let me know if you're feeling it or not. You know what I'm saying? Cause I ain't got to do if you. Okay. I'm gonna get y'all to the demo, y'all. Peace, love, life. Bye.
Pretending it's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go. Yeah, so I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. Yeah, you better go. So I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. This is what I want now. And yeah, I'm waiting for something better. This is what I want now. No, I won't settle for anything else. I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me. It's never ending.